Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to be study class 10th first chapter life process, and this is the today's topic is nutrition in human beings. This is the most important topic in board examination. Then maybe this question is going to be asked in 3 marks or 5 marks. So it's a very important topic, so you're going to be concentrate on the topic. If you have any confusion, that you're going to be asked. And human beings, so the holozoic mode of nutrition. In before then this class we are going to be discuss the holozoic mode of nutrition, those are organisms. So the 5 step, the ingestion, digestion, absorption and assimilation are is the considered the holozoic mode of nutrition. So human beings show this mode of nutrition, and human beings is also is the omnivorous organism. So it may be the take the plants as well as the meat also. So human digestive system is mainly the consist of alimentary canal and associated glands. Okay, so these two parts is going to be constitute the human digestive system. One is that alimentary canal, that are the spread from mouth to anus, and the some associated gland that play the most important role here in the digestion. The salivary glands, liver, pancreas, these are that glands. And liver is that largest gland of human body. So alimentary canal is the basically a long tube extending from mouth to anus. Earlier we are going to be discuss the alimentary canal, the is spread from the mouth to anus, and that take a participation in the most important process of digestion of food material that we are going to be taking ingestion from outside the body. So alimentary canal has the different part of various region are specialized to perform the different function. Okay, so different region have the specific function. As you study in class 9th also, some specific function is going to be performed by the specific cells, as the or get specialization. And we eat various type of food which has the pass through the same digestive system. Like that you are going to be eat fruits and vegetables and the pulses and all that food you are going to be take in the everyday, so that go through this the same digestive tract. So food has that to be processed to generate particles, and which are the small and then small texture. Okay, so we don't the take the energy from the complex material, so need to that break down in the simpler form. So later we are going to be discuss how the carbohydrate like the starch and glycogen is going to break down into the smaller one. Okay, we are going to be discuss earlier than this. Starch is the storage material in the plant, and glycogen is the storage material in animals. So food is the crushed with the help of teeth. As teeth are the play the most important role in the crushing of food material, and teeth are the sin. We are the different type of the teeth. We are going the milk teeth is also present, as well as that permanent teeth is also present. The 20 teeth the in the is milk teeth, and then after the permanent teeth is going the so form, that are the so the don't. Okay, so and next one the thecodont. What do you mean of thecodont? The teeth is going the inserted in the jaw. Okay, so that is called the thecodont. Clear? So diphodont, and two type of the teeth. One is that milk teeth, another is that permanent teeth is going to be formed in human beings. So that we can say the diphodont and thecodont, the teeth is going to inserted in the jaw. The lining of canal is the soft, and food is also weighted to make its passes smooth. Okay, so when we eat or like something in our the mouth filled with the water. Okay, as you are going to feel in the daily, so when you see the sweets in front of you that you are like the most, so the in your mouth that water, some watery product is going to become. So that is not the pure water, so that is the fluid is called the saliva. Okay, the water come in our mouth, so not the actually the water, so that have the some other material is also present in our water in our mouth, so that is called the saliva, and the secreted by the salivary glands. And saliva is that slightly acidic, that have the pH 6.8. as you know, the pH is the negative logarithm of H plus ion is called pH. Okay, what negative logarithm of H plus ion is called pH. Okay, so that the if the pH is 7, that are the neutral, if above the 7, that are the basic, and the below the 7 is the acidic. So the 6.8 is that slightly the acidic pH. And this is the most important point. This is going to be asked in the board exam. So this food we ingested in that, it's the complex nature, which is the broken down into the small molecules by the process of digestion. So this is done with the help of biological catalyst. And this is question is going to be asked, what are the enzyme are the biological catalyst. So saliva contain an enzyme called the salivary amylase. Okay, clear? Saliva is been secreted by the salivary glands, and that saliva contain the enzyme name is the salivary amylase. So that break down starch is the complex sugar into the simpler sugar in or glucose. Okay, simpler sugar is the glucose. And so starch, it is a polysaccharide. When the number of glucose molecule is joined in a chain form, that is from the polysaccharide. So starch is a polysaccharide, that as you know, it is a storage material in the plant also. Okay, so that we are going to be use and eat the plant products, so that are the starch. So it is going to break down into the glucose or the simpler sugar, and with the help of enzyme salivary amylase, and pH is the 6.8. Okay, so this the points we are going to be study about the salivary amylase or saliva, that are the most important the point of examination.